Hello, I'm Dr. Spencer Jefferies. I would like to talk a little bit about the recent tragedy that's occurred in Beirut and some of the impact that that's having on many right now. Certainly the hours and the days and even the weeks ahead are going to be difficult for many. And part of what's important to do right now is just to acknowledge that and recognize that this is a very devastating thing that's occurred, and many people are struggling right now. And then the other thing that's important to recognize is that with the pandemic in the past few months, a lot of us have adjusted, and our baseline, kind of our day-to-day, the way that we encounter things, the way that we interact with one another, are things like stress and worry and fear are kind of already at a heightened level. So when, tragedies like the one in Beirut occur, it can compound on some of those things that are already difficult to deal with. So what are some things that we can do during this time? Well, there's the obvious things like donating to charities or volunteering if you're in the vicinity. But what's also tremendously important is just being supportive, just expressing that care and that kindness to those that are undergoing a lot of difficulty right now and that are experiencing a lot of hurt, a lot of loss, and a lot of pain. And whether we are directly or indirectly impacted by that, we still have that ability to express that care and that compassion and be supportive for those that are in need right now. So this is a very important role that I think we can all kind of incorporate into our daily interactions with one another. Even if you weren't directly impacted by this, there's still ways that we can interact with each other that can express this sort of compassion during a very difficult time for many.